concepts of algebra. We also learnt what is polynomial. Okay. Now today we are going to learn something more about polynomials. In the previous video we learned polynomials are expressions in which the power of the variables are non-negative integers. Okay. Now today let us see what is degree of a polynomial. Now what is degree of a polynomial? Degree of the polynomial is the highest power of variable in an expression. Now see, 8x cube plus 4x square plus 7x plus 5. The variable is x here. In the first one the power is 3. Second term the power is 2. Third term the power is 1. And the last term the power is 0. What is the highest power? The highest power is 3. So the highest power of the variable is called the degree of the polynomial. So degree of this polynomial is 3. What is the degree of this polynomial? Here the highest power is 4. So degree of this polynomial is 4. Now let us see what are the different types of polynomial. We learned, see here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Here we have 1, 2, 3 terms. Sometimes there will be only one term. For example, if you write x, y, this is a single term. Sometimes it will be 7x. Again it is a single term. Sometimes there will be two terms. Okay. So if a polynomial has only one term like this, it is called a monomial. Examples we wrote just now, 7x, or if you write simply 8, that is also a polynomial with a single term which is called monomial. Now what is a binomial? Binomial means a polynomial which has two terms. For example, if you have 4x plus y, 2 terms, or if you have 2a plus 3. These are all examples of binomials. What is a trinomial? Trinomial is a polynomial with 3 terms. This is a trinomial. A square plus 2ab plus b square. It is a trinomial. Now what is a constant polynomial? Constant polynomials are actually monomials with no variable. That means there will be only a constant, or a constant means the power of the variable is 0. If you write here, see example 8 is a constant polynomial because there is no variable, means the power of the variable is 0. Now if you write 100 is a constant polynomial. Now see here there is no variable, means the power is 0. So what is the degree of a constant polynomial? The degree of a constant polynomial is 0. We discussed that a polynomial may have one term or many terms. Okay. And we also learned that the power of the variable may change. It may have different powers. Each term will have different powers. So what is the standard form of a polynomial? When we write a polynomial with increasing order of the power or decreasing order of the power, it can be in any one form, either increasing way or in decreasing way, then it is called the standard form of a polynomial. For example, if you write a x raised to n plus b x raised to n minus 1, that is, it is decreasing. C x raised to n minus 2, the power of x becomes lesser and lesser, or it can be increasing. Okay. Such way of writing the polynomial is called the standard form of the polynomial. Here is an example. You see 4x raised to 4, 8x cube plus 6x square plus x plus 5. You see 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So this is decreasing order. If we write first 5 plus x plus 6x square minus 8x cube plus 4x raised to 4. That is also in standard form. That will be in increasing order. Okay. Now this was the revision part of our lesson. Now let us see what are equations. Equations are the equality of two expressions, or when you combine or compare two expressions with an equal to sign, then it is called an equation. So an equation may have two parts, or an equation has two parts. It may have two expressions like this: 4x square plus 3x is equal to 17. This can be an expression, or this is an example of expression. This is one expression. This is also an expression. Both are combined with the help of an equal to sign. So it is called an equation. An equation has got two parts or two sides. One on the right hand side and one on the left hand side of equal to. This is the right hand side RHS and this is the LHS, left hand side of the equation. Now what is a linear equation? Linear means which will represent a line. Okay. Here variable is only 1 x, but here the power is 2. But a linear equation is an equation in which the power of the variable is 1, or the maximum power, degree of the variable or degree of the polynomial, degree of the expression is 1. 4x plus 3 is equal to 7x. This is a linear equation in one variable. See, only one variable is there, x. Here also x. But if you write 4x plus 3 is equal to 7y. It is a linear equation, but it is not a linear equation in one variable. How many variables are there here? Here x and here y. So it is a linear equation in two variables. So we are not going to learn this. We are going to learn this. Okay. What is a linear equation in one variable? An equation in which the power of the variable is 1 and there is only one variable. Now, what is root of the equation or the solution of the equation? In the beginning, we learned that variables are the quantities which take different numerical values. So, here you can find out different values of x. But all the values of x may not make this equation true or correct. So, the value of the variable which will make the equation true, or the value of the variable which satisfies this equation, is called the root of the equation or solution of the equation. Now there are various methods of finding the solution. So the method of finding the solution of an equation is called solving equation. So what is solving equation? Solving equation is the process of finding out the root or solution of an equation. Okay. How to find the solutions we will learn in the next video. Children, in the previous video I could not upload the complete notes. In this video I have uploaded the complete notes. Please go through it. That's all for today. In the next video, we will learn how to solve the equations, different methods of solving the equation. Thank you.